Hello Internet world, welcome to my first look at the EnGenius Cloud Wi-Fi 7 Lite. This is model number ECW516L. This is a really good indoor tri-band access point that's going to give you Wi-Fi 7 access point, great security, great data throughput as well. Now before I show you the actual hardware and the box contents a little bit closer, let's run through some of the main features and specifications. So this is a Wi-Fi tri-band 2x3x3 access point, supports up to 13.7 gigabits per second speeds, and also works on the 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz band as well. It provides up to 1200, so 1200 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage, and can also support up to 200 connected wireless devices, which makes this ideal for small to medium businesses. Let's take a look at the hardware and the box contents. First of all, the box contents, very simple. We've got some mounting brackets to mount this to a wall or a ceiling. We've also got the hardware required to do that as well. Then of course we've got the actual main unit itself, and it's really nicely made. Very good high quality grade plastic used here. We've got some LED feedback across the sort of top edge here, which indicates what bands are connected and if we've got some connectivity and power going to the unit. We've also got WPA3 support, so really good security built into here. We take a look at the really slimline profile. Apart from attaching it with the mount, you can also use a Kensington mount on here as well. And then let's just take a look at the underside of the unit. So we've got mounting screws on either side here, so these sort of keyholes, and you can use this in combination with those brackets that I showed you. And then if we take a look in here, we have got the 2.5 gigahertz LAN socket. We have got an input for a 12 volt DC power supply that's not included inside the box, but this does actually work over Ethernet, so power over Ethernet support as well. If you do need to reset it, then there is a little reset switch in there too. This is a fantastically built product that's going to give you really good data throughput. Of course you could use it in a home environment, but it's really designed for small to medium business size use. It's got really quick network setup and management, really easy remote monitoring as well. And the ceiling mount design with the LED lights makes it brilliant for blending into various sort of decor and environments. So we've got really quick setup on here. It's all run through the EnGenius Cloud network, which is really user friendly and makes this super easy to set up and manage. If you're looking for a really good Wi-Fi 7 access point, this is well worth checking out. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. And if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very soon.